In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for HR and people operations. We'll walk through how to set up Jira so your HR team can manage employee requests, recurring tasks, and sensitive information in a more organized way. Whether you're handling onboarding, leave requests, or internal HR operations, Jira can help centralize everything in one place. To begin, log into Jira and create a new project by going to Projects and then Create Project. At this stage, choose the template that best fits the kind of HR work you want to manage. Jira Service Management is a strong option if you want employees to submit requests, while Jira Work Management is useful for internal HR tasks and project tracking. Give the project a clear name, such as HR Operations, so it's easy for your team to identify later. Once the project is created, the next step is to set up your HR request types. These are the categories employees or team members will use when submitting requests. Common examples include employee onboarding, offboarding, leave requests, equipment requests, policy questions, training requests, and benefits inquiries. Keeping these request types clear and specific makes it easier to route work correctly and report on trends over time. After that, build your HR workflows by opening project settings and then workflows. A simple structure works well for most teams. For example, a request can move from new to in review, then to assigned, then in progress, and finally completed. This gives everyone visibility into where a request stands. In practice, new means the employee has submitted a request. In review means HR is checking the details. In progress means the work is actively being handled, and completed means the request has been finished. Next, create issue templates for repeatable HR tasks. This is especially useful for processes like employee onboarding. A template might include a summary such as new employee onboarding, along with fields in the description for start date, department, manager, equipment needed, and access required. Templates save time and help your team capture the same information every time. From there, assign HR team members to the right tasks by opening an issue and selecting an assignee. This ensures each request has a clear owner. For example, recruitment tasks can go to a recruiter, payroll items to a payroll specialist, and onboarding tasks to an HR coordinator. You can then save even more time by using automation. In project settings, open automation and create rules for routine work. For example, when an onboarding request is created, it can automatically be assigned to the HR team. When a request moves to completed, Jira can notify the employee. You can also send reminders when due dates are approaching. If you're using Jira Service Management, open queues to track employee requests more efficiently. Create queue views for new requests, high priority requests, pending employee responses, and overdue requests. This helps your team focus on what needs attention first. To monitor performance, create an HR dashboard by going to Dashboards and selecting Create Dashboard. Add gadgets to track open HR requests, completed tasks, request volume, and workload by team member. This gives you a quick visual overview of your team's activity. Finally, protect sensitive HR information. In project settings, open permissions and restrict access to HR projects as needed. You should also use issue security levels for confidential requests, especially for items like